opposites are. Two adjectives are opposites if they describe something completely different. Here is an example. Big, small. Big and small are opposites. Let's.
So dear students, today we are going to learn the new topic opposite. Opposite words means एक दूसरे के उलट words. ऐसे एडजेक्टिव जो एक दूसरे के उलट होते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं अपोजिट. जैसे कि बिग स्मॉल. बिग स्मॉल. द एलिफेंट इज बिग बट द माउस इज स्मॉल.
Match the opposites.
Look here. Cold, hot. What is the opposite of cold? Hot. Cold, hot. Big, small. Cold,
Cold, hot. Big, small.
Big, small. Match the opposites. What is the opposite of sad? This is sad. This is happy. Sad, happy. Sad का opposite है happy. Happy, sad. इसी तरह dark, light. Dark, light. Dark का opposite क्या है? Light. Dear students, let's see some more opposite words. We have to match the opposite words. This pencil is black and this pencil is white. तो black का opposite क्या है? White. इसी तरह fast. Cheetah runs fast and the snail runs slow or walks slow. So what is the opposite of fast? Slow. Fast का opposite है slow. Black का opposite है white. Black, white. Black, white. इसी तरह fast का opposite है slow. Fast, slow. इसी तरह this man is old and this kid is young. Old, young. This stone is hard and this is soft. Hard, soft. Old, young. Hard, soft. Old, young. Hard, soft. इसी तरह this is sunny. Sunny का opposite क्या है? Rainy. Sunny, rainy. Right, wrong. Sunny, rainy. Right, wrong. Sunny, rainy. Right, wrong. Sunny, rainy. Right, wrong. So dear students, this glass is full or empty?
Full. Empty.
Correct. आपको टिक करना है. This glass is full. Full with water.
Slow. Fast.
Fast.
Hard. Soft.
How is the toy? The toy is soft.
Wet. Dry.
Wet. Wet का opposite क्या है? Dry. How is the cat? This is
Wet.
wet. How is the shoes? Dirty or clean?
Clean. Dirty.
The shoes are dirty.
Tiny. Huge.
How is the fish? This fish is huge. कैसी है fish? Huge.
Light. Heavy.
How is this? feather, this is light. Dear students, now what we have to do, we have to sort the animals. Are they big or small? हमें इन animals को big है या small है इसमें sort out करना है. देखिए, this is hippopotamus and is this big or small? This is big. This is whalefish. This is also big. Elephant, an elephant also big animal. Rabbit is small. Mouse is small. And this is squirrel is also small. Now we have to sort the things. Are they hot or cold? Hot और cold में हमें sort out करना है. तो the sun is hot and the fire is also hot. Ice cream is cold. Fridge is cold. This is cold and tea is hot. Hot. Cold. So dear students, listen to the adjective. Click on the picture that matches the adjective. तो आपको सुनना है और जिस पिक्चर से मैच होता है उस पर क्लिक करना है. So listen carefully. Tall. So which animal is tall? Giraffe is the tall animal. And this is short. So we have to click on tall. Short. This is short.
Tall and short. Light.
This is light.
Dark.
This is dark.
Light and dark. Hard.
The stone is hard.
Soft.
This is soft.
Hard and soft.
Happy. कौन सा बच्चा happy है? This boy is happy.
Sad.
This is sad.
Happy and sad.
ये क्या है? Opposite words है.
Tiny.
means छोटा सा, ये वाला tiny.
Huge.
This fish is huge.
Tiny and huge.
So dear students, आपको यहाँ पर fill करना है with the right or correct adjective से. How is the bird? The blackbird. Now, how is the bird? The white bird. How is the boy? The happy boy. Now, how is the boy? The sad boy. The plant is short. The plant is tall. Short. The sky is dark. The sky is light. Dark light. So dear students, we have to match the opposite words. हमें opposite words को match करना है. देखिए, this is tall. Tall का opposite क्या है? Short. Tall, short. Young का opposite है old. And right का opposite है wrong. Tall, short, young, old, right, wrong. अब देखिए, स्लो का अपोजिट क्या है? फास्ट. स्लो, फास्ट. टाइनी का अपोजिट है ह्यूज. हार्ड, हार्ड का अपोजिट है सॉफ्ट। स्लो, फास्ट, स्लो, फास्ट, टाइनी, ह्यूज, टाइनी, ह्यूज, हार्ड, सॉफ्ट। So what is the opposite of slow? Fast, tiny, huge, hard, soft. So dear students, I hope कि आप अपोजिट वर्ड्स अच्छे से समझ गए होंगे। तो वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगी है तो इसे लाइक कर दीजिए। चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। बेल आइकन के ऑल बटन को दबा दीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।